Coral reef habitats are a marine habitat found in warm water in shallow tropical parts of the oceans, and they are loaded with a variety of plants and animals.
Coral reef habitats have the most diversity of all ocean habitats. There's lots of space to live, there's lots of food, therefore there are plenty of animals found in coral reefs. About 1/3 of all of the ocean's fish can be found in coral reef habitats.
So these are chocolate chip sea stars, and they have a very unique adaptation where they could actually regenerate their limbs. What that means is if an animal came by and ripped one of the 5 legs off, they can actually grow that leg back. Now that's important for them because they're slow. They also have an adaptation for having their mouths right in the middle of that star right there. And that's how they'll feed, since the mouth of that sea star is always facing down the coral reef. The darker colors on the star, you can kind of see the smaller legs popping up right now to turn themselves back over. Those are all smaller legs to help move the sea star around the coral reef, looking for different meals. We'll put her back and let her look for her next meal. Now this is a pencil sea urchin, so I can pick it up without getting spikes. Not going to hurt my fingers. But those spikes are venomous. If a predator was to come up and eat this sea urchin, they would get very injured or sick. They also have their mouths on the stomach as well as an adaptation for surviving in coral reef habitats. Here's a stingray. This is actually a yellow spotted stingray. They also have mouths on the bottom and have a barb you're looking at on the tail, which is also venomous. Lionfish, like these guys right here, also have venomous spines for protection. They're actually one of the most venomous species of fish on Earth. You'll also see that they have bright colors to warn predators that they are venomous. Their bright colors say, "Stay away from me, I will hurt you, I won't make a good meal." Animals like this eel here are adapted to live in coral reef habitats by being able to squeeze in all the little tight spaces that are provided, looking for food and avoiding becoming food for a larger animal. So let's leave the ocean, dry off, let's head to our next habitat. Desert habitats are terrestrial habitats. They can be warm or cold, but get very little rain. Thanks everybody for watching our video on coral reef habitats. Make sure you check out our next video coming up soon on desert habitats, where we'll talk about some cool adaptations like being nocturnal, coming out during the nighttime, and meet some animals like bearded dragons, camels, and even spiders like tarantulas. Even more habitats to come after that, like wetlands and grasslands. Hope you enjoy them all. Thanks again, everyone.